From 0 to JLPT N5, this is lesson 72. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, 前に, which means before doing something, and in front of. So using this grammar pattern, you can say things like, I will brush my teeth before going to bed. Or there is a flower shop in front of the train station, and so on. So let's look at the grammar format. It's quite simple. You can use either a verb or a noun. So if you are to use a verb, use the dictionary form like 食べる, 見る, 泳ぐ, and so on. And then add 前に. For example, 食べる前に means before eating. 学校に行く前に means before going to school. Noun, you need to put no before 前に. So, 朝ごはんの前に means before breakfast. ミーティングの前に means before the meeting.So this is the grammar pattern. Let me show you two examples. First, verb. Let's go home before it rains. 雨が降る前に帰りましょう。It rains. This is 雨が降る。降る is a dictionary form.So use the dictionary form and then add 前に. Together it means before it rains. Next example, noun. I will have lunch before the meeting. 会議の前に昼ご飯を食べます。会議 is meeting and this is a noun. Therefore, put no.After 会議 and before 前に. 会議の前に means before the meeting. There is a park in front of the station. 駅の前に公園があります。駅 is a train station and it's a noun. Therefore, put no after the noun and before 前に. Together it means in front of the station. So, this 前に has two meanings. First, before doing something, and second, in front of. So now, I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers.I bought a present before meeting my friends. 友達に会う前にプレゼントを買いました。The dictionary form of this verb is 会う。Therefore, use this dictionary form 会う and then add 前に. Together it means before meeting. Next one.I always read a book before going to bed. 寝る前にいつも本を読みます。Going to bed or to sleep is 寝る。This is the dictionary form, so use this form and then add 前に. Together it means before going to bed. Last one.There is a park in front of the hospital. 病院の前に公園があります。Hospital is 病院 and it's a noun. So, use the noun and then put no before 前に. Together it means in front of the hospital.Now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 友達に会う前に プレゼントを買いました。寝る前にいつも本を読みます。病院の前に公園があります。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comment below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。